a political party that violates Section 21 of the Act is subject to the registration pursuant to the processes under the said section, and the political parties have been sensitized of the new requirement of Section 21, which introduces a new penalty of suspension before registration. So far, we have registered 2 political parties, although one of them has been in court with us, which then, if the court guide us accordingly, we act. The ORPP has developed the criteria of allocating funds as provided by the Political Parties Act 2011. 70% of the funds will be allocated to a political party based on the number of votes that the political party garners. 15% of this fund will be allocated according to the number of special interest groups a political party is able to bring on board. What this particular amendment has done, it's only to put a level open infrastructure to allow members of public access party nominations. Is a question of access in election, which is very important. ORPP shall monitor party nomination countrywide. We are recruiting county monitors and county constituency monitors to help us in monitoring. The ORPP shall not conduct party nominations, and I said that the law does not accord the registrar this mandate. It is accorded still to the political parties. We already have a source book, the first source book in Kenya on political education, which is detailing all the process about a political party, about participation in political party processes, about nominations, and about everything about the act and the related laws. So that is the manual that we are using, guidelines from that particular manual. And we already have an agent training manual. And this training is done in collaboration with the IBC, so that the agents, political parties agents, shall be prepared to be monitors and to be agents in elections. The submission of party membership list to ORPP is by 26th of March 2022, which forms our deadline for any person who should be in any want to run under any political party, should be in that political party by 26th of March. It is important to know that there are these timelines, 7 days before the register is, 14 days before the register is submitted to IBC is when it is submitted to us, and that's what formed the basis of the date of the 26th. For verification of membership lists and certification thereof, we need it submitted within 7 days. And then finally, by 9th of April, the party is supposed to submit the membership list, certified membership list to IBC. Submission of coalition agreement to ORPP for coalition political party is by the 9th of April 2022. And the submission of coalition agreement to ORPP for the ordinary coalition is by 8th of May. The end of conduct of party primaries and party disputes thereof, as currently captured by IBC, is the 22nd of April 2022. It is expected that the nominated persons who are contesting in election should be submitted on or before 28th of April 2022 to the IBC. And very important is that this list should meet the 2/3 gender rule as stipulated in the nomination rules by parties and as guided by the Electoral Commission and the ruling of the court.